What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with yet another monster build. I don't know if you guys can tell what type of vehicles behind the cover. If not, you guys will find out shortly, but I can confidently say this is the first vehicle set up with the wheels and tires that we chose in the world. There's no other one that exists. We're the first ones, and I can again confidently say that. It is gonna be at our quick strike tomorrow morning. Today is Friday in Los Angeles, sunny Los Angeles, California. It is gonna be appearing and making its debut for the first time at the quick strike, which is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. at our Sunset location. You guys will be watching this thing right after that, but nevertheless, I wanna bring you guys up to speed so you guys know what we're working with and what we were prepping this for. Again, crazy, first one ever, first one on the planet, literally. I mean, after this, I'm sure we'll open up the doors for others to do similar type of setup for the wheels and tires and whatnot. But without further ado, let's unveil this bad boy. We got a brand new Ferrari F8, and as you guys can see, we've lowered this bad boy on forged BBS LM-RS. We're running a 20x9 in the front, 20x11.5 in the rear. Michelin tires, Pilot Sport 4S's, step lip, high polish outers. The center of the wheel, we refinished them ourselves at our shop, obviously. And you know, the finish don't exist and the setup don't exist. And it's crushed on Novitec suspension. Car has exhaust. I mean, it's a beautiful ride, motorsport style. But I'm gonna let the car do the speaking for itself. You guys will be watching some of the progress of us mounting the wheels, test fitting, etc. But you know, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. We you know, it brings us pride, and we get happy when we try to, you know, do the things for the first time for you guys. And again, this is a monster. It's gonna be a hit on the streets by far. We got more in store for you guys. See you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Like we promised, it was a monster build. I hope you guys loved it as much as we loved creating it for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We want to know what you guys think about this build. How do you guys feel about the first F8 on BBS's Slam? You know, so comment right now. Tell us what you think. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video, because it's you guys that make this possible. So without your guys' support, we can't do none of this. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys soon.